guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the new extra spicy gingerbread palette by Too Faced. Do you want to see what this is about and how I created this look? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just bought the Too Faced Extra Spicy Gingerbread palette. I did not buy the original gingerbread palette. I don't know why, I just never did. And then I was actually thinking about it recently, and then I saw they came out with an extra spicy, so I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and go for the extra spicy. So this palette I actually purchased from Ulta. It is normally $49. That's where it is pretty much everywhere I look. Here is the actual palette right here. Here's the packaging. It is super cute. The back shows the actual colors, and this is just a really, really cute palette. It says, turn up the heat with this gingerbread palette baked with warm, sexy, smoldering shades. Achieve rich and spicy daytime looks, piping hot nighttime looks, and everything in between with 18 shades that smell like yummy gingerbread cookies. And it does smell pretty good. It's not as strong as I was hoping, but it does smell really good. So let's go ahead and bust into this extra spicy palette. The packaging looks exactly the same. It is raised like most of their tin packaging. And then the back, it does not show the colors, but it just goes over what that package says right there. So when you open her up, you do have two little gingerbread with a good size mirror. And then the actual colors look like this. So the way that I created my look today is I went in with vanilla wafer to set my base, put it over everything, top, lid, everything. Then I went in with soft and sweet, this like lighter mid pink color, and I went over the whole top part. Then I went in with hot tamale down in my middle crease. And then I thought, okay, normally I go with the lightest shimmer shade for my lower lid. That's how I normally always do it. But I thought today I'm gonna switch things up for you guys, and I'm gonna do a darker color on my lower lid. So this is completely out of my normal comfort zone. So you're gonna have to let me know if it looks okay or if I should just go back to how I used to do it. But I went in with this Drizzle It, and I didn't think it was going to be that dark, but it almost matched the hot tamale color. Like they look, one was obviously a matte, one was a shimmer, but the color schemes looked so close. So I went in with the Cookie Call, which is like this darker brown color, to add a little bit of a darker shade to it to kind of break up those two colors. Then I went in with this Midnight Snack, which is like this dark blue glittery, and I went into the corner. Then I kind of just went in with the dark blue here. Then I went in with the hot tamale here, and then I went in with the soft and sweet in the corner. And then also I put in the Plenty of Dough, which is the one I would have normally probably used on my lower lid. That one I did in my corner, and I did underneath my brow bone. So that's how I created this look right here. So again, it's completely different than what I would normally do, just because I wanted to switch things up for you guys and show you something a little different, because I always do the same thing. So yeah, so here are the colors. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and get my fingers in them so we can swatch this entire palette for you. So hold on. Okay, so again, here's the palette, and here are all of the colors. This is definitely a nice neutral fall, any time of the year really, especially like my comfort zone are browns and light pinks with a little bit of burgundy, mauves, that kind of thing. And that's what this palette is screaming 100%. And I really am glad that I got this palette. It smells amazing. I love the colors. Those are just my comfort zone. They're my go-to colors. So I'm really glad to have another amazing Too Faced palette, because I love my Too Faced palettes. So that is all of the swatches for this amazing palette. And if you want to see how I created this look, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so this is how it looks after all day wearing. I have not touched up any of my makeup. This is just how it wore throughout the day. And I think it wore very well. I actually really like the way that it looks today. All right, you guys, that is how I completed this entire look. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is that Too Faced always puts these little booklets in, and I save them every time. And I love it because they give you ideas for eye looks. And so in here, they give you this idea, this one, and that one. And it tells you exactly which colors, which steps, and how to recreate it. So I like going back and looking at these from time to time so I can try to come up with something completely different and try something new. So I do have a stack of these because I save everyone. So that is everything for this gorgeous little new extra spicy gingerbread palette. So you guys, what did you think of this palette? Comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.